CPD requirements. Now, I know I've talked about this before, and you know I've talked about it before, but I'm going to talk about it again because it is one of the most regular questions that we receive during CPD training. So people have got themselves to CPD training, and also the most regular question that we get asked on our chat, on our Facebook questions, and just from phone calls that keep coming into the office. So guys, you need to, if you are licensed, Class 2, Class 1, I'm talking about this CPD year, March 23, 2020 to March 22, 2021. So there's 3 months left of the CPD year. So if you are a Class 2 agent or a Class 1 agent, you need to do 6 hours of CPD during that year. Got nothing to do with your renewal date. It is about the CPD year, which is good. And, it's much easier to remember. It'll probably take us a couple of years to get used to it because, it's taken us 17 years to get used to how we run CPD the way it is now. So, your 6 hours, your 3 hours of compulsory and 3 hours of your elective topics. So that's all fine. If you are an assistant agent, you need to do 3 units of competency. That is not 3 hours or 3 event, it's 3 full units of competency towards your licensing qualification before March. Okay, so now there is some time frames that may change that a little bit. There's always exceptions, and the exceptions to the rule here is if you were granted your certificate of registration just this year in 2020 after the 22nd from the 23rd of June onwards, then you only have to do 1 unit of competency. If people who get their certificate or their assistant agent authority after Christmas, there will be nothing required until next CPD year. And the same for licensed agents. If you don't actually get your Class 2 or Class 1 license until after Christmas, basically, roughly put Christmas as the deadline there, and then you won't have to do any CPD until next CPD year. But everybody, you're all different. If you're not sure of what you need to do, either check it out on our website on the CPD page, and we've got a table there showing the timeframes, or ring us up. Really easy. We can look you up on Fair Trading website, look at your dates, look at how long you've had your license or your certificate, and actually give you exact answers on what it is you need to do prior to the 22nd of March 2021. So guys, there are CPD requirements. You do get audited against them. Make sure you've got it right.